today I would like to talk about computer science and engineering with specialization of Internet of Things, that is IoT. It is not just the future, it is present industry's need. IoT is changing every industry and you should be the part of that change. It is a perfect combination of hardware and software. This course offers ideal mix of core computer science subjects like data structure and algorithms, operating system, database management system, along with specialized IoT subjects like artificial intelligence, that is AI, embedded systems, cloud computing with hands-on experience in Arduino, Raspberry Pi and real-time data processing. If you study B.Tech in computer science and engineering with IoT specialization, you will gain a very strong academic knowledge with a real-world skill. So, what are you waiting for? Come and join CSE IoT at Netaji Subhash Engineering College.